The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall. I am here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, this is some sad news that I'm about to say to you. I saw more than one news articles that said that 30 persons had been left homeless after fire destroyed houses within a tenement settlement. Now, according to those news articles, it is said that the incident happened on the 23rd of December, the year 2020, within Kingston, Jamaica. I also saw pieces of videos circulating on social media where it is said that a female who goes by the name of Powa house had been destroyed by fire. You see? It is said that Powa is a dancer, and other things have been said about the incident and the female who goes by the name of Powa. Now, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to present to you one of these pieces of videos that are circulating on social media where it is said that Powa house had been destroyed by fire. You see me? Viewers and subscribers, I'm going to tell you from right now that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers, discretion is advised, alright? Now here's the video, take a look, listen and observe.
See there? The whole of my yard. Burn up. Not safe, not at all. One flag. Why? Oh God.
Viewers, subscribers, a situation like this to me is just hard, you know. It's just hard. You see what I say? It doesn't matter when a person's house had been burnt down, viewers and subscribers. In my point of view, it's just hard. It doesn't matter when. You see me? Many comments have been made about this video on social media, and some of these comments gave me the understanding that some persons are saying that this incident happened within a time that is close to Christmas and the New Year's. A lot of those comments gave me the understanding that a lot of persons are sad about the situation and about what had happened. Yes, I said to you, it's really sad for real, viewers and subscribers. In my point of view, it's really sad. Yes, I said to you. And according to the news articles that I saw, it is said that there is no reports of any fatalities. You see me? It is said that there is no reports of any death. Viewers, subscribers, I'm going to move on to another video. You know, you can let me know what you think about the video that I just presented to you, and you can also let me know what you think about the incident as well. You see me? Alright, the next video I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show when a person smashed the window of a vehicle, went through the window and took something or some things from the vehicle. See? Now, according to what had been said about the incident on social media, it is said that the incident happened within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago, and other things have been said about this video on social media as well. You see me? Many comments have been made about this video on social media that gave me the understanding that some persons on social media called what the video had shown theft, and some of the comments gave me the understanding that some persons called what the video had shown breaking and entering a vehicle. You see me? Now, I do not have any confirmed information as to exactly when this incident happened, nor do I have any confirmed information as to exactly where within the country of Trinidad and Tobago this incident happened. But however, this video is being talked about on social media and I'm presenting it to you so that you can take a look at it and you can also let me know what you think about this video as well. Alright, so as I am about to present this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright, now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
Yes, you checking the camera there?
Yeah,
Yeah, I know what's in it. You can leave, dive inside the car.
yeah.
Look, Richard, now run across the road to tell them.
Viewers, subscribers, I've said this before in previous videos that I posted and I'm going to say this again. Be careful. Be vigilant. You see me? Yeah, just be careful and be vigilant. You see me? If you step out of your vehicle, turn on the alarm system on your vehicle. You see me? I said to you. And if possible, try and keep your vehicle where you can actually see your vehicle. You see me? I said to you. Yeah, if possible. You see? Well, anyways, viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think about the video that I just presented to you. Alright. The next video that I'm going to present to you, according to what had been said about this video on social media, it is said that this video shows a armed robbery that happened somewhere within the Bahamas Islands. It is said that this incident shows an armed robbery of a business establishment or a place that some persons might call a supermarket. According to some of the things that have been said on social media about this video also, it is said that more than one person was involved in the robbery shown in the video. Now, I do not have any confirmed information as to exactly where within the Bahamas this incident happened, nor do I have any confirmed information as to when this incident happened. But however, according to what had been said about this video on social media, it is said that the incident happened sometime within the month of December, the year 2020, somewhere within the Bahamas. Alright? Viewers and subscribers, I'm presenting this video to you because it's being talked about on social media, and you can also let me know what you think about this video as well. Alright? Now, as I am about to present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe. Alright, viewers and subscribers, there you have it. The video that is out on social media where it is said that the video shows a armed robbery that happened within the Bahamas. You see me? Viewers and subscribers, I take a look at the video, and in my point of view, I see where one of the persons who is considered to be one of the robbers have a gun. However, there might be more information about the incident that happened. You understand? But I'm just telling you what I think and what I saw. You see me? You can let me know what you think as well. You see me? You can tell me if I'm wrong or if I'm right. But I'm just telling you what I think. And here's where I'm going to leave it, viewers and subscribers. Big up and respect to each and every one of you, my viewers and subscribers, alright? Let me know what you think about the videos that I presented to you in this video. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Seriousskilla. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall. Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.